Hey, I'm Ryan. Thanks for watching. This is part 2 of my cigar box guitar build. Now, I built one about 2 or 3 years ago. It's a wall hanger. Looks really good on my son's wall. It kind of plays, but it doesn't, but it's really neat looking. Well, today what I need to do is I need to figure out how I'm going to attach the lid to the body because I don't want screws on the front. I've got an idea how I'm going to do it. I just hope it works. Also, I got a comment about the string action and the neck. The neck is sitting too low over the lid. I mean, it's only over the lid about 1/16 of an inch. And I kind of knew that when I made the pocket and I put the neck in it. But I can't make the pocket in the lid any deeper. I'm going to come through. So what my idea is, and I can't do it until after I get it all put together, is I'm going to shave some of the neck off right here on the heel to raise it up and lower the string action. So let me get everything set up. We'll get started. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to drill 4 pocket holes right here, not all that deep, because I'm going to screw the neck down to the body, and I'm going to use these screws right here. I'm going to drill the pocket hole so the screw will fit all the way down and the top of the screw won't hit the lid. Okay, here's my plan. I've got 2 pieces of poplar cut, the same thickness as the inside of the body, so they're level with the top. I'm going to take some glue and run it across the top of both of them, glue the lid down, clamp it, let it dry for about an hour or 2, pull it back off. These will be glued down. I'll drill 2 screw head pocket holes on either side, and then I'll take these screws and I'll screw it down to the lid. That should give it some strength. Okay, I'll let this dry a little while. We'll pull it off, drill the pocket holes, and screw it down. I got the clamps off. Let's flip it over, and that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to go over to the drill press, and I'm going to drill 4 pocket holes for the screws. Okay, I put a piece of tape on my brad point bit, and that's how deep I want to go down into the lid. Now I'm going to drill in some pilot holes. Okay, that fits really good. Now, what I did is, before I glued those in, I marked where they sit at. So I'm going to drill 3 holes, 1, 2, 3, on each side, and that's where I'll put my screws at. And there we go, lid is on. Okay, I've got the lid to where I can bolt it on. I got the screws out now. Now what I'm going to do is, the bridge is going to go here, and I'm going to use these brass screws or bolts, however you want to call it. So what I have to do is I have to mark this board here and drill a pocket hole, so when I put the lid on, the nuts on the back side will sit down in them and the lid will sit flush. Okay, now we'll go ahead and put the bridge on. And there we go. All right, there we are. I got the bridge on it. I got the back put on it. Everything's nice and solid. It doesn't jiggle. I mean, it's tight. What I need now is I need my pickup. I need my controls, but they're still not here. They were supposed to be here 6 days ago, so I don't know what's up with the post office. So they're supposed to come in tomorrow. When they come in, we'll come back and we'll go on from there. Well, after about 10 days of waiting, the post office decided to go ahead and deliver my pickup and my control. So what I need to do now is figure out where I'm going to put my control and where I'm going to put the jack plate. So let me change the camera angle and I'll figure that out. Well, after looking at this, I really only have one option to do it. I mean, I could put this on the side, the jack plate. I could put it on the side, but I really don't want it there. So I'm going to put it on the front. I'm going to put it right there. And as far as the knob goes, I'm going to put it right here. I mean, that's a good spot. It's not in the way with you strumming. It's not too close to the jack plate. You can still turn the volume up and down. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the bridge off and the lid and everything off camera, put it back together, and we'll come back and route in the holes for the jack plate. Okay, so I took my Stratocaster pattern with the pocket pattern for the jack plate, glued it on top of the box. I'm going to go ahead and route it out. Okay, I got the hole drilled to where I want my knob to go, but I forgot about something. I forgot about the wood I put on the back to bolt the lid down to the body. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole all the way through. I'm going to take my auger bit, I'm just going to auger it down to the depth I need and put the knob on. Alright, let's go over to the drill press. We'll auger this down. Okay, I went ahead and installed the control knob, and I haven't screwed down the jack plate yet. I did go and put some heat shrink over the wire because this wire's too long. I didn't really want to cut it, so I put some heat shrink on it, and I want to take some glue and I'm going to glue it to the edge right here. So right now I'm going to glue down the pickup. I'm going to use some hot glue for that. Now I'm going to take some hot glue and I'm going to glue my wires right on the edge there. Well, there we go. I'll let all that dry and we'll see if it fits back on the body. Okay, the lid fits on nice and tight, really good. Went ahead and put the bridge back on it. Everything works. I haven't screwed down the jack plate yet because the screw is going to go down into that wood that I have in the center, and I don't want to have to pull the screw in and out all the time to get the lid off. So the next thing up is finishing the neck, putting the frets in it, sanding it, putting a clear coat on it, but that's going to be in part 3. So I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.